I want to thank you for joining me here today at 3842 Carberry Drive in Dublin, Ohio. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo in the Scioto Crossing development. This condo features over 1,100 square feet of fine living. As you see here, we are standing in the entryway. The entryway has a coat closet. This is the front door right here. Just next to the coat closet is the laundry room with washer and dryer hookup. Behind those doors is the hot water tank and furnace. We'll make our way around here. If you'd like to schedule a tour with us today, give us a call at 614-505-6212 or by going online to www.columbuspropertymanagementpros.com. Making our way through, we come to the first hallway, and that has the first full bath. You will notice throughout this home the beautiful hardwood floors, ceramic flooring in the bathrooms, beautiful light fixtures. Right next to the hall bath, first bathroom, is the first bedroom. This bedroom does have wood blinds, ceiling lighting, a little nook here. This is a nice large room with 12-foot ceilings. Nice size closet here. I'm going to peek in the closet and show you all the room we have. Make our way out of this area and down the hallway. As we come through, you will see that we have the kitchen area. Kitchen has all white appliances, flat range stove, which is electric, of course, tall cabinets and lots of cabinet space. As I make my way around here, it has side-by-side refrigerator doors and pull-out freezer. Dishwasher is located conveniently with the sink on the center island, which would work great just with some bar stools, make it a perfect breakfast nook. But just off of that is the dining room area with a large pantry. And of course, off of the dining room is the living area. This room here is completely open, living room, dining room, and kitchen. I'll give you a good panorama view there. Again, if you would like to schedule a tour with us today, give us a call at 614-505-6212 or by going online to www.columbuspropertymanagementpros.com. We'll make our way into the master bedroom. Master bedroom has a beautiful ceiling fan and again wood blinds, hardwood flooring. It also has a nice size walk-in closet. Plenty of room. The master also has an ensuite bathroom, which of course then would be your second bathroom with a stand-up shower. And again, up-to-date light fixtures, cabinetry, plenty of room, ceramic flooring. I forgot to show you out here, you do have a private patio as well with storage. This unit also comes with a 1-car garage that is accessible through the building. You'd be able to pull straight into your garage, close it, and walk straight into the building. This is also a secured building. You must have a key to access on your own, or you will be able to have them push a button on the outside. It's an intercom system, which I'm going to show you right here. You would be able then to buzz them in, talk to them through the intercom system. It also offers a community center here with swimming pool and fitness center. And I'd like to thank you for taking this tour with me today of 3842 Carberry Drive in Dublin, Ohio. 2-bedroom, 2-bath with just over 1,100 feet of square feet of fine living. Give us a call today to schedule a tour at 614-505-6212 or by going online to www.columbuspropertymanagementpros.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.